It's fucking storming. Cheers. Lights in my fucking eyes. For some reason, this stupid fucking phone always keeps on my light. I feel like a fucking celebrity playing, trying to be. Cheers. Oh! Whoa, it's some frozen water! Like the movie Waterboard, bro! Nah, it's definitely not. Check out the rain. See that shit smoking or not? Bring it on, motherfucker! It's the storm and jam! Cheers! Woo! Woo! All that fucking juniper up in that gin, man. A little bit of this old chase. Call it good. So anyways, fucking raining out here. People tossing shit everywhere sometimes, which is me. Fuck it. Let's take another shot. I'm gonna finish this with you guys. Ah, mosquito! Mosquitoes! Fuck it, I'll just take it out the bottle. You see it smoking? What do you think? What up, really, Big D? If it's smoking on here? No, you're watching the video anyway. Mr. Badass Andy, Pucho616, J Banks for Life, and whoever else watches. You want a shout out or a comment? Hit me up before I'm dead. Some for the homies. And that makes my video. Cheers. Till next time, everybody. Sucks at the fucking lights in my eyes. But look at that.